Hey guys, it's Jenny, and today I'm going to be showing you what's in my bag. Let's get into it. This is my little everyday bag. It's what I grab when I'm running errands, out on the town. It's my night out bag. It's a little Coach. I thrifted it from a little consignment shop up in New Hampshire, I think, Concord. So I don't really have any other details besides that. Good luck. Okay, so in the first little flappy flap, I have 2 tampons. A little glass nail file for on the go, a handful of loose bobby pins, and that's all I've got in there. Onto the big pouch, my keys, 1 pack of bubble gum, eyeglass cleaner, little eyeglass cleaner chamois, my little Kate Spade wallet with my expired ID, my passport. Because my ID is expired. I've got my sunglasses. I love these ones. These are by Quay, I don't know. Pack of gum number 2, spearmint this time, for variety. Post-it note tabs. The Touchland little hand sanitizer in the vanilla blossom scent, which if you ask me is the superior scent of them. Oh, okay. This is the best hand cream if you ask me. It's the Cherry Almond by Le Chatelaine. I got it from a little boutique in my neighborhood and it smells, oh my God. It smells like a cherry biscotti. I've got $5 cash. Other loosey things, what are these? 4 safety pins and 2 binder clips. A couple of Band-Aids for like ankle blisters on the go. A mini version of a new perfume I'm trying out. I don't know if I love it. It's Boy Smells Woodphoria. It's a little like musky incensey. We're giving it a shot. Oh, more bobby pins. A little piece of trash. My under eye eyeliner stick pencil in blue. It's my thing. My little NYX lip liner. This is a little e.l.f. lip balm and a little CoverGirl tinted lip balm and a little regular Bitch Sticks lip balm. I've got a handful of Lucy breath mints and the last thing I think, a little certified voter girl sticker. I am. And that's it. That's everything in my bag. So I hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed that. Had fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.